Okay, so we are currently on the airport in Denpasar and waiting for our, I think that's Pontus smoothie bowl. That smoothie bowl was actually pretty. I didn't think they would serve it in a coconut bowl. But yeah, I'm having overnight oats. Yeah, not so fancy. We are gonna travel for 11 hours this first flight to Doha, to Qatar. So we're just gonna enjoy our food, my overnight oats, and Pontus is gonna enjoy his coffee and smoothie bowl. I'm gonna show you how it is to travel as a vegan. So I'm gonna show you what we're eating on the airplane. We have already decided to get like a vegan meal, and it's super simple to get a vegan meal on an airplane. You just go into the airplane website before you check in and you choose a vegan meal. And often it's pretty good vegan meals as well. And on the airport it's not as hard as well. You just have to look for it, and then you have luck as Pontus, he got a smoothie bowl. So yeah, you're gonna see a vegan travel from Bali to Sweden. And we're gonna ride 2 airplanes, so you're gonna see a lot of vegan meals on the airplane. That was, as told you before, it was 11 hours, but it was only like 9-10 hours. And now we're gonna jump onto an airplane that takes 5 hours to Copenhagen. gonna jump on a train to where we live in Malmö, and we're gonna be picked up by Pontus' parents.
Hi! Welcome!
It's the next morning, and as I show you, it's beautiful weather, but it's so cold. I don't know how we're gonna survive this cold. So if you're ever gonna visit Sweden, come when it's summer or spring. So it was a long travel time. I think it was 16 or 17 hours, but in total from when we left our home in Bali, I think it was at least 24 hours. I think I covered all the meals we had. First we were at the airport in Denpasar in Bali. We had our breakfast. I had overnight oats and Pontus had his smoothie bowl. And then we jumped on the plane towards Doha in Qatar. We got 2 meals. And then when we came to Doha, we thought we would buy something like snack or something, but the plane was late, so we had to run towards the next flight to Copenhagen. And then on the plane from Doha to Copenhagen, we only got 1 meal. The food on Qatar Airways is really good, especially the vegan meals. I haven't had non-vegan meals. But the vegan meals are good. And we've traveled before with Emirates and SAS. The vegan meals there are good as well. But I think the Qatar Airways I think I like them more because it's Middle Eastern food. If you have any questions about like travel as a vegan or the vegan food on different airplanes, just leave them in a comment down below and I will answer them. Now we're at Pontus' parents' house. We haven't got our apartment yet, so we're staying here for a couple of nights. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to moving back into our apartment because we're gonna set up an office in our apartment. If you follow me along on Instagram stories, I told you can comment down below if you have any questions about how it is to live in Bali for long term, or if you're a digital nomad, or if you're just gonna travel there. Because I'm gonna do a Q&A later on YouTube and answer all of your questions about it. I think I've covered it all. I hope you got a view of how it is to travel as a vegan, and I hope you realize that it's not hard at all. I'm gonna enjoy my oatmeal as you saw me make. It's just rolled oats with water and some pea protein powder, spices, and on top we have strawberries, bananas, hemp seed. I missed hemp seed so much, we hadn't had them in Bali. There's chia seed and peanut butter without oil. There were coconut oil in all peanut butters in Bali. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So if you're still here watching videos but haven't subscribed yet, please do so because I'm gonna put out tons of new content for you in the near future.